Hello, everyone. On today's IRS tax refund update, we'll take a look at the latest numbers just released by the IRS on where things currently stand with the tax return backlog and those refund delays many of you continue to experience. We'll also take a look at the latest figures on those amended and employer tax returns. Meanwhile, taxpayers are encountering one of several messages when checking their refund status results online, so we'll take a look at some of those and recapping those receiving adjusted tax refunds. The IRS has released their latest update on the tax return backlog, dropping the total number to 8.7 million unprocessed tax returns. Now, that is a decrease of 1 million returns since August 5th. Of the current backlog, 1.7 million are e file returns, and paper returns are now at 7 million. So, while we continue to see movement on the processing of these returns, we're still looking at record highs for being this late in the year. Now, turning to the one area of concern is those still waiting on their refunds because the IRS has yet to process their employer's wage information. Now, if you're among this impacted group, you're likely to receive the 60-day notice from the IRS, also known as Letter 2644C. Now, the IRS has released their latest update on backlogged employer returns, which now stands at 4.6 million unprocessed returns. The main concern with that number is it actually has increased from previous updates, which had it at 4.1 million. So this is going to be a number to keep track of not only this year, but can play a huge role in delays for some of you going into next tax season, as the IRS needs to verify the wage information you entered versus what your employer submits. Also, there are an additional 136,000 amended employer returns that need processing as well. The IRS has also released their latest update on amended returns, which now sits at 1.9 million unprocessed returns. Now, that number has been running fairly consistent over the last several weeks, though we've been seeing significant progress as reported by our viewers. We've been seeing the average processing time on those closer to the 5-month mark. And as a reminder, amended return refunds are issued by paper check even if you specify direct deposit. Viewers, especially paper return filers, continue to report receiving the refund status error message that the information entered does not match, when in a majority of cases the correct information has in fact been entered. Again, this is going to be a message you should expect to receive until the processing of your return actually begins. Several of our viewers who have been getting that error message and have been inquiring on whether or not to submit a duplicate tax return to the IRS. It is strongly advised by the IRS and tax professionals that you do not submit a duplicate return unless specifically instructed to do so by the IRS. Submitting a duplicate return can lead to even further refund and processing delays. You're also likely to receive the letter seen here from the IRS notifying you they received your second tax return and to only submit one per year. However, if there are corrections that need to be made on your tax return, at that point you would proceed with filing an amended tax return. Once your tax return has been entered into the system, you can initially expect to receive one of these messages. For those encountering tax topic code 152, that is a standard processing code and does not indicate a problem. However, if you're seeing tax topic code 151, it does mean your return is under further review and you're likely to see a refund adjustment. Taxpayers continue to report and they are receiving tax refund adjustments, in some cases by thousands of dollars lower than they expected. The three main reasons are in relation to the advanced child tax credit payments, recovery rebate credit, and past due obligations such as child support and state income tax debt. If you're among this impacted group, you will receive the CP12 notice as seen here, notifying you of the exact reason for the refund reduction. Now, do note there were 12 million tax returns this year containing errors relating to CTC and the recovery rebate credit, which slowed down processing even for those of you who never claimed either credit. Let us know in the comment section below your ongoing issues when it comes to those tax return and refund delays. In the meantime, we'll keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.